Hi everyone. Hello Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 12th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a heavy Sudoku, and the question is, how heavy is this Sudoku? A heavy Sudoku, I mean really heavy. I need more than 30 minutes, then it will be heavy. I think 4 stars or more. So let's see, and let's get started. All right. We have a 6 in this row, a 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? The number. We have a 7 in this row, a 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for a 7 here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for a 7 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in the box. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for a 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for a 7 here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes. Digit number 2. Alright. How about the 4? 4 in this first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 4 should be here. Then I need to wait. I see. I need to wait. How about the 5? I see here in this big square 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here also 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And then then I cannot continue with the 5. Then I need to wait for the 5 for more information. How about the 6? No, 6 I have already used. These two numbers left in this big square. The missing numbers here are the 3 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. And then we have a 2, 1, 8. How about the number? And the number 8 in this row, 8 in a row below, so in the last row, the only place for an 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. For the numbers 1 and 2, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. And then 5. Well. This big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing in this middle column, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And then 5 and a 9. 5, 9. Here we have in this big square the 2 numbers left, 5 and a 9. That means here we have a 5 and a 9. Here should be also 5 and a 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left here should be the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. And here the 8 and the 3 are left. Still cannot fill this yet. Here we have the 1 and the 2 left in the second column. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 8, 9, 3. Then 2 numbers left here for the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for a 2 here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for a 2 here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for a 2 here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And then 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. Then 3 numbers left in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left for the second row for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in the third column for the number 3. Then how about the number? Yes, in this big square, no. Let me continue with this row. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And 2 numbers left in the last column. The numbers are the 3 and the 8. The 3 and the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last column. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow! And the question, is this a heavy? I don't think so. Maybe a medium. Because I have solved this in 13 minutes, and normally for a heavy, well, above the 20 minutes, or if it's a hard one, 30 minutes. This one in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Rest me to say thank you again for watching this episode, and yeah, keep on puzzling. I will continue with the extra Sudokus in the additional. So see you the next time. Bye bye.